tapos na yung ating training. Kasama yung ating mechanical engineer na si Mr. Reddy Pama. Ayos.
Finish.
With flying colors. At sa atin naman yung electrical. And look at this
QF Stadium.
QF Stadium. Look at the stadium in my background. Yay! Qatar Foundation Stadium. Success. Alright, together with our team. Yeah. Kasing laki ko lang, no? Ganun talaga siguro. The same width and height. Yan lang. I'll show to you guys the whole area. This is the Qatar Foundation Stadium on 45,000 capacity. Oh my god. Ayos na. Tapos na yung araw natin.
Project Engineer Electrical. So we will discuss today Novik system. So first part I will discuss the mechanical part, and the second part will be discussed by Mr. Loy for the electrical part. So we will try to explain everything which is understandable. Any questions, we will try to answer all the questions. If some technical questions that we cannot answer, we will keep in touch in email. For sure we will answer them. So, Novik system. I am Luis Antonio Tadle. I've been in QFL for the past 9 years. And we are doing Novik firefighting system. Okay. Mechanical part is as important as electrical part also. They work together. It will not work only on electrical because the discharge will be on the mechanical part. No? Okay, electrical part.
These are all our initiation, the signal, zone 1, zone 2. This is the D2S connected directly here. Manual release connected directly. Manual release. This abort is inside directly there connected. Because this is conventional. Okay. Low pressure. Here this one. The low pressure is connected directly. Control head monitor. This one. This is the control head monitor. This is all our programmable relays. Fire alarm. Supervisory and this is trouble. This is our knock circuit. This is for bell. This is for the second stage. This is inside. This is the discharge stage. This is one, and this is the connection to the solenoid.
So this is connected in this way?
No. It will, later we will. Once civil defense completed.
Okay. So this is temporary. This is temporary.
Yeah, we will not do any testing if this is connected. We should remove it. This is what Mr. Reddy told you a while ago.
Okay.
Because this one, this pin, once it's coming out, and you put it here, accidental discharge. Okay. So any tampering here in the panel or in the device, it will give trouble. Like for example, somebody remove the detector or somebody remove our second stage, it will give trouble signal. See? This is knock 2. Knock 2, trouble, and this trouble signal will be sent to fire alarm.
It has no number?
Yeah.
Number?
This knock 2 meaning.
Here.
I will show to you. I told you this is trouble diagnostics. Suppose if you don't know this is knock 2,
Yes.
just press this one. Press for 5 seconds.
24.
This is 24. And look here for 24. Knock 2, open circuit.
Trouble.
Open,
Okay.
knock 2. So you can, it's easily for you to troubleshoot. Okay, so we'll turn it. right away it will just go away the trouble signal. Suppose battery is missing,
Okay.
it will give trouble also. See? And system trouble.
Okay.
Okay? I'll turn it. And it will just, the trouble will just go away once it's connected. Okay? Where's the power?
So this is the basic here. Basic robot. But here is the complex.
Yeah. These are all the trouble. Alarm, notification, manual release is all whole trouble here. And these are all the diagnostics.
Okay.
If you don't know where is it, then you just read it here and press.
Press up.
Okay? Power, if you see,
Yeah.
see, it's in the standby battery mode.
Can you press?
Press the trouble. It will be power supply number
Okay.
4. Number 2.
AC voltage.
AC, yeah, there's no AC.
Okay.
Okay.
Good, good.
So we will return it.
So what is the function of the other one?
Damper.
Damper? Damper?
So how long it will take the battery?
24 hours.
24 hours. Because we tested this one in 24 hours, standby, and 5 minutes alarm time. Okay? Anything?
So once the feasibility will clear, then we'll put this one.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So what is the
Yeah, this is the liquid regulator. It's hiding. This is 200 pounds cylinder. 200 pounds. So you check in your manual. 200 pounds. You left this tape. This still tape.
Sa loob yan.
This 200.
Abort. Yan po yung abort.
Sana yung hawakan ng 30 seconds ang parang
We can verify. Yeah.
Kaya yung binitawan niya, sir. Pag binitawan 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. 30 seconds, you will hold. Until you hold it, it will stay on the
Hindi siya magkakanda sa...
Hello?
Then you will release. Start from 30 to 0.
Ay, pala nakapark na pa-second na lang.
After second properly, it will come at 190.
So weight of the agent.
That is the weight of the
Weight of the agent. 188.
That's the field of the cylinder.
So we will try the first stage, second stage, then the discharge, and using the abort. Okay? Make the first. So this is the solenoid. Okay? Mr. Reddy is speak about the set. So you have to set it in the set position. Okay? This is in set position. Once it will turn it here clockwise, counterclockwise, that will be a release. And you can see it's coming out. This is the pin that will push.
The plunger.
Like a bomb, no? Yeah, because it's a 300 plus PSI.
25 watts.
So you need a strong, like a bullet. Okay? Yeah, this is very strong, like a bullet. Okay, start. First alarm.
What is the...
First stage, wala pa.
Both sides. Detector.
Okay? First stage. Pwede mo siya i-silent.
Then...
Pwede mo rin siya, ipatulong ulit.
Code.
Ay, hindi, wala siya. For trouble lang siya.
Ah, okay, okay.
This is for trouble only. Okay?
Or silence only, no need data of the
Hindi
second.
na kailangan sir, kasi may ano na siya, may indication na dito. We have already indication here, that is the zone 2.
Zone 2, second
Okay, now we will make the second stage.
Okay.
Ito, so mayroon na siyang pre-alarm, pre-release.
Na, inabort niya.
Tanggalin mo.
Tanggalin mo. Ayan.
Okay. Yan.
Counting siya.
Dalawa na siyang counting. Pwede natin silence. Yan.
Pero counting.
More still counting.
Yes, because we didn't press the abort. Okay.
Continuous yan.
It is continuous because there is no abort.
Okay.
Now try to hold the abort.
Hold upper.
Balik sa 30 yan.
If you go back to 30 seconds. Hanggat hindi niya tinatanggal, nandiyan pa rin siya.
So we have to identify the second one.
Yeah, it should be in the second.
Okay.
You can see it here also.
Alarm 1, alarm 2.
Alarm 1 and alarm 2.
So once the second will start, there are 30 after that 30 seconds will start the counting.
Yes. It should be cross-zoning, two detectors.
Every time.
Okay, remove the abort. So we will wait for
30 seconds.
the countdown, 30 seconds to complete. Then it will push the pin here. Yeah, okay? So we will see it.
This one will come release here.
Okay.
And the pin will go out there.
Reset. How it can reset.
Pressure the nitrogen.
Yeah. So we'll wait.
If you put it in the cylinder, automatic.
In this stage, you can still abort. You can still abort even 1 second. Yeah.
Oh, really?
So, see? You can silence. And now the gas has discharged already. So, bye-bye gas. You will call QIBS and refill it again. We are happy. Yay!
Resetting this one, you can reset it.
So one time it will get out,
Yeah,
I will need to fill.
Gas finish.
10 seconds, right? 10 seconds?
After 10
10
seconds,
seconds.
finish.
You cannot make it. Only half. I need to.
Reset. Ayun, reset.
Okay, reset. You have.
Reset.
Okay, reset. So going to reset is simple only. That's all. To reset. Okay, we will do.
Matagas already gone.
Yeah. Now we will do the manual release.
Sir, manual release.
This is the manual release.
Ah, okay, okay.
You have keys? Key here. Here. Wait. I will do the manual release. So this is instant discharge right away. You will see here. Okay. Check. Okay. Check here. No delay. Okay, reset.
Sir, during that 30 seconds, which one we can reset there?
Sir,
If there is no fire, then the counting of 30 seconds continues.
you can reset. Just reset
This one.
button.
Ah,
This is system reset button.
Hmm.
You can reset.
Only one press.
One press. That's one.
For 30 seconds counting,
Even if it is counting, you can reset.
so it's off.
Off.
Yeah, it will reset again and will start to make it normal.
It's normal.
Normal.
Go back to normal.
This is program reset. Once you open it.
No, this system reset.
Yeah,
It
system
will override
reset.
all.
Yeah.
I don't turn them on.
Okay.
So that's all the operation.
But if there is smoke, it will activate again.
Oh, sir, pag ni-reset mo, bago may usok pa,
Ma-activate siya again.
Activate siya ulit.
First stage ulit, second stage.
kahit ni-reset mo siya, kundi magkakaroon pa rin siya ng ano.
Yes. And hold on, we will wait. We will do.
How about this?
Okay, this is the one. Okay, this is the one.
Pin, sir, pin.
Just remove the pin. Remove. And operate.
Like extinguisher.
Ah, still, it will...
Yeah, it will give signal.
Ah, okay, okay. Still.
Actually, the one that will give signal is this one.
Okay,
It is connected to DPS. Because this one is connected to this pipe. Once the gas will come here, go here, it will also go to here also. And this is normally open. Once gas will pass, it will close. And it will give signal here, alarm. An alarm will be sent to your alarm panel there. What is the purpose of this maintenance switch? This maintenance switch actually is just a switch connected to the silencer. The purpose of this is to remove the power going to the solenoid. Okay? Maybe a key. Okay. From this arc, it is connected to here, to here. Just like a normal switch. No? Once you put this system in active,
okay.
Meaning he cut the power going to here. And once even you will pull this one,
There's no discharge.
there is no discharge. This is the purpose of maintenance your system. In order not to accidentally discharge your maintenance. In the event na hindi mo na, sir, nailagay sa maintenance, nag-maintain ka, then it will discharge, big problem. So during maintenance, you should have to put the system inactive. Okay. Obserbahan niyo, sir. Once I will put it to system active, take a look at this.
Automatic mabalik, no?
Yes. Okay? So this is very important to isolate your solenoid. This is 24 volts going here to the panel. Okay? This is how it works. Okay?
The most safety thing, even you put the maintenance, if you want maintenance outside, inside, you need to remove this one here.
Remove.
Remove it.
Okay.
Okay.
No, kasi
So
nagre-release doon eh.
once not triggered, it is safe to remove. Once not triggered.
If this one is triggered, it means it's put the plunger already.
Alas.
No, it's already there, but once not triggered, it is safe to remove.
Yeah, better to remove it. Better to remove it. Put this one in system active and remove.
Okay.
But if this is already released here, for example, you go in there, it's released here, you put it in the set again.
Okay.
Before putting it here, you need to put to set position.
Set.
So that this pin here will go back to its original position. Then that's the time you will put it in. Otherwise, you know what will happen.
Bigla release yan, sir.
Yes, it will release and
The refill bulb or something to refill this.
No, refilling, you have to bring it in the specialist. You
Okay.
cannot refill it in the side.
Okay.
Not like a foam. You
I thought here.
No, you cannot refill it.
now the problem is of refilling is that you don't have any more protection in your room. This is the main problem. Only a detection, yes, you do, but the protection, no, you don't have any protection.
Pressure, low pressure, you go send for refilling.
Okay, anything?
Good.
Thank you so much. Any questions you can ask this Miss Napo people?
This handsome guys.
They are number one.
Documents they will give you.
Yeah, okay.
Any related documents.
Yes, sir. Wagan mo na ako.
Okay, thank you.
We have.
Ganun na lang, thank you. Wala kasi kayo.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Alright guys, congratulations! We did it!
Thank you, sir.
Yes sir, maraming salamat.
How about generator? That guy.
That foam.
Home. Generator room, you need to go? Home, yes.
Alright, it's good. Well done. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You don't have any coffee, tea or something? Water?
They have to go.
Coffee? Yeah. Where's my bag? Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you.
Going outside.
Just turn straight up.
Okay.
We complete home and come. We are going to generate.
No problem.
Thank you. See the generator room लेके आओ. Generator room में जाना है.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Alright, we're done for our training and practical training. Thank you so much. Successful. Yan, napakaganda. At marami silang natutunan. So, nandito tayo sa basement ng Qatar Foundation at alright guys, ganun lang yung ating testing. These are all the people in my backside. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much and don't forget to like, subscribe
and hit that bell button para lagi tayong update sa ating mga vlog. God bless everyone!